It took me 30 days to make a new YouTube channel with 110 short videos, and my goal was to monetize this channel within 3 months. In this video, I will show you what I did for the next 30 days to achieve my goal, and finally, I will show you the results so that you can apply these same methods and start your own channel. At the end of the video, I will share one of the most important things that you should not do if you want to have a successful YouTube channel. I learned this the hard way. Day 1, niche research. When it comes to selecting a good niche, you need to consider these 3 things: how broad the niche is, how easy to produce content, and the RPM of that niche. The best way to find a trending niche is to open YouTube in a private window and search for short videos. When you are watching those videos, check these things: the number of views, when is the video posted, and how many likes that video has. If a video is posted recently and it has a good views to like ratio, that means it's a trending niche. So I spent my first day searching through YouTube and finally found a niche. The niche that I found was the football niche. Football is the most famous sport in the world, therefore it has a large audience, and it has a good RPM as well. That's why I decided to select that niche. The only challenge I faced was how to create content for football by avoiding copyrights. It's because a lot of channels I found were posting reused football clips. I know for a fact if I use reused content on my channel, I cannot monetize it. Then, I came up with an amazing idea, which was to create quizzes related to football. In that way, I can avoid copyright problems. So, I will later show you how I created videos for this niche. Day 2, creating the channel. First, I needed a name for this channel. I used ChatGPT to come up with a name. Basically, I asked you to give me 10 names and ideas for a YouTube channel related to football quizzes. Then I selected this specific name, Fiscal Genius. Honestly, I didn't really care about the name of the channel at that time, so I decided to select this as the name of my channel. After I came up with the name idea, I wanted to create a logo and a banner. As you can see here, this logo and banner are really simple. At the time I was creating this video, I didn't think too much about the logo and the banner. All I ever wanted was to start this channel as soon as I can and start to post videos, so I spent as little as time possible to make the logo and banner. If you want a simple logo and a banner like these, use Canva. It's really easy. You can make a logo like this within 5 minutes. If you want a more advanced logo, go to Leonardo AI and generate a logo and banner for your channel. It's not that hard. You don't need to spend any money on these things because there are a lot of free options. Day 3, content creation. After I set my channel up, I created a content plan for the next week. My plan was to upload 2 to 3 videos per day for the next week. So first I decided to make videos about comparisons between popular football players, such as who is richer, who has scored more goals, and stuff. Then I created videos about guessing football player by their eyes or hair. So, just like these, I gathered a lot of ideas and made a content plan. The next thing is, I needed to find a good video editor to edit these football quizzes. So, I normally use Adobe Premiere Pro for editing. I must say, it's not beginner-friendly software. If you are planning to use this, you have to learn it for at least 2 to 3 weeks. This is a very advanced video editor. It's around $23 a month. But, if you don't have time to use an editor like this, you can use CapCut or Filmora. These 2 editors are very easy to understand and use. Let me show you 2 types of videos I created for this channel.
Do you know about the 5 players who have achieved the highest number of hat tricks in football? Let's find out. At number 5, Ali Daei from Iran with 8 hat tricks. At number 4, Poul Nielsen from Denmark with 8 hat tricks. At number 3, Lionel Messi from Argentina with 9 hat tricks. At number 2, Sven Rydell from Sweden with 9 hat tricks. At number 1, Cristiano Ronaldo from Portugal with 10 hat tricks.
That type of video works really well. Let me show you in another video type.
Who is the better player? Comment your answer. Ronaldo versus Pele career stats. Matches. Goals. Assists. Red cards. Trophies. According to the above stat, Ronaldo is the best.
Creating this type of video is not that hard. Short videos can go viral even if your channel is fresh one, so if you can upload more than 3 videos a day, just do it. It will help you to grow faster. If you guys want to try this niche, drop a comment, and I will make a full tutorial about how to make football-related videos like these. When it comes to YouTube Shorts, one of the main things that you should consider is the audience retention rate. It doesn't matter if you have a lot of views. If your audience retention rate is low, your videos will not go viral. So, what is this audience retention? It's basically a ratio to show what percentage of your video are viewers watching. So, if your audience retention rate is low, that means viewers don't watch the video till the end or they get bored halfway through the video. In other words, your video is not performing well and YouTube doesn't like videos like that. If your videos are not performing well, YouTube will not push your videos to new audiences. Your video will be stuck with 1,000 views for the life. I will show you 2 examples of that. This specific video has low audience retention compared to other videos, it's 80%. This video has around 5,000 views and it has stopped there. Now, take a look at this video. This video has 123% audience retention and it has around 25,000 views and it's still getting views. So guys, keep that in mind. In order to go viral, you should have a good audience retention. Let's see the results of 1 week of posting videos for this channel. So on the first day, I posted 4 videos and only got 1,466 views. At this point, I thought about giving up this channel because of the low views. But I kept going. In the next, I posted 3 videos. As you can see here, on the second day, I was able to get around 6,800 views, which was a big motivation for me. So I did the same for the third day and got the same amount of views. On the 5th day, I uploaded around 7 videos just to see what would happen. So I got 15,180 views. Not bad, right? Like this, I was able to get 70,000 views and 245 subscribers to this channel within a week. In the second week, I was able to get 165 new subscribers. So the next thing I needed to improve this one, which is the swipe away ratio. As you can see here, only 48% of viewers decided to watch my video on the short feed, and 52% of viewers swiped away to the next video. So I realized that I need to improve this in the next few weeks, if not I'm losing half of my potential views. So I decided to use more eye-catching and interesting titles for the videos. There is another thing you should know. When you upload a short video, within a few hours you will be able to see a spike of views like that. Then it will get flattened like this chart. This is completely normal. As soon as you upload a new video, YouTube will try to push that video to different audience groups. That's why we get a lot of views on the first day after uploading. Now let me show you why this niche is really good. If you can see the geographies of this channel, the top 3 countries are the USA, United Kingdom, India, Canada, and Australia. So I was able to reach an international audience with this channel. So if you want, you can try this niche. This is a really good niche. Now let me tell you the mistake I made so that you can avoid making the same mistake. After 4 weeks, I decided to upload long videos to this channel. As you can see here, it has not worked well. Then I did some research and learned this important thing. YouTube has 2 types of audiences: people who watch long videos and people who only watch short videos. On this channel, I posted short videos, so this specific audience and subscribers like to watch short videos. They don't show any interest in watching long videos. What happened was, when I uploaded these long videos, almost all my subscribers ignored these videos. So the YouTube algorithm didn't like that. So it stopped pushing these long videos to new audiences. So my main advice is, don't post short and long videos to the same channel. It will destroy your channel. With that said, I hope you learned something from this video. I will see you guys in the next video.